Afternoon, students. Now we are going to do the exercise 3.4. Today we will do the exercise 3.4, that is word problem. So let us start with the word problem. Question number 1. First we'll read the question. A company produced 482 bedsheet and sold 297 bedsheets in the market. So, company produced how many bedsheets? 482. And he sold how many bedsheets in the market? 297 bedsheets. How many bedsheets are left? That means how many bedsheets are left in company? Let us find. So, let us see the solution. Solution. Number of bedsheet produced equals to 482. Number of bedsheets sold equals to 297. Number of bedsheets left equals to 482 minus 297. So let us arrange these two numbers first. So here on the top we have written the greater number and below that we have written the smaller number. 482 is written on the top and below 482 we have written 297. Now we will subtract it. First we will start subtracting from the ones place, but here we can see that 7 cannot be subtracted from 2, so we need to take one borrow from here to ones place. When we take 1/10 from here, it becomes 12. 12 minus 7 equals to 5. So here we have left 7 over here. So 9 cannot be subtracted from 7. So again we need to take 100 from here to the tens place. So it becomes 17. 17 minus 9 equals to 8. And we left here with 3. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So therefore 185 bedsheets are left. How many bedsheets are left? 185 bedsheets are left. So come to the next question. Question number 7. The sum of two number is 956. If one of the number is 477, find the other number. Children, I'll give you one example. Suppose you have 5 toffee. Okay, you have 5 toffee and you have given 2 toffee. Then how many toffees are left with you? Then what you are going to do? You are going to subtract. That means 5 minus 2. You are going to do the subtraction. You are going to subtract 2 from 5. So you will get the other number here. Yes or no? The same way it is given over here. The sum of two number is given 956 and the one number is given 472. So here solution, the sum of two number is this much, 956. One of the number is 477. We have to find the other number. The other number equals to 956 minus 477. Okay, we have to subtract over here. So again we need to arrange this in ones, tens, hundred place. We will arrange it. You can see the bigger number is written on the top and the smaller number is written below the greater number. So again we have to see the ones place to subtract first. As you can see here, the 7 cannot be subtracted from 6. So we need to make this 6 bigger number. So we'll take 1/10 from here to make this number bigger. So when we take take 1 tens from here, it becomes 16. 16 minus 7 equals to 9. So here we are left with 4. Okay, when 1 is borrowed from here, so we left with 4 over here. So again we can see that 7 cannot be subtracted from 4. So we need to make this 4 a bigger number. So again we'll take 1, borrow from here, and it will become 14. 14 minus 7 equals to 7. So here again we are leaving 8. So 8 minus 4 equals to 4. So therefore the other number is 479. As we have got the answer 479, that means the other number will be 479. So let us come to the question number 10. Rajat covered a total distance of 856 km. Out of this, he travels 425 km by aeroplane, 169 km by train, and the rest of the distance by bus. How much distance he traveled by bus? That means total distance. Means he travels the total distance. How much? This much. Means here he is traveling by bus, aeroplane and train. So all this, when he travels through this vehicle, he covered total distance 856. So now from 56 we have to find how much, means how much distance he traveled by bus. So for this we need to solve this sum in 2 steps. The first step solution, the first step is the distance traveled by aeroplane is this much, 425 km. Distance traveled by train equals to 169 km. So total distance traveled by aeroplane and train equals to 425 km plus 169 km. So we need to find the distance traveled by an aeroplane and train. So we need to add these two numbers. Okay. So again we need to arrange in the ones, tens, 100 places. 425 plus 169. So we need to add this, the ones place first. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. 14. 4 we have written here. We have taken 1 carry to the forward. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Okay, so distance traveled by aeroplane and train, how much? 594 km. Now second step, let us see in the second step. Total distance covered by Rajat. Rajat, how much distance he covered? 856 km. And the total distance traveled by aeroplane and train equals to 549 km. The distance, so the total distance traveled by bus equals to, we have to find the total distance traveled by bus. So 856 km minus 594 km. We need to subtract these two numbers. So we will arrange it and then we will subtract it. So we have arranged already here. Now ones place we have to see, 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Then again we have to subtract 9 from 5. So it is not possible. We cannot subtract 9 from 5. So we need to make this 5 bigger. So we'll borrow 1 from here and it will become 15. 15 minus 9 equals to 6. Okay. Now we have left 7. So 7 minus 5 equals to 2. So we got the answer 262. Therefore, the distance travelled by bus is 262 km. So I hope students you have understood the word problems. So the question which I have left, you have to do it by yourself. Okay.